Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 most exciting festivals in Australia that you absolutely can't miss. Australia is known for its laid-back vibes, stunning landscapes, and you guessed it, incredible festivals. Seriously, they know how to throw a party down under. These festivals are not only a blast for us Aussies, but also attract tons of international tourists every year. So if you're planning a trip to the land of sunshine and good times, make sure to pack your festival gear. Get ready for some serious FOMO because trust me, you're going to want to add all of these to your bucket list. Let's get started. First up, we're kicking things off with a bang in Sydney. Get ready for Sydney Mardi Gras, a massive celebration of love, diversity, and everything fabulous. This vibrant festival takes place every year in February and March, painting the city in a kaleidoscope of rainbow colors. Sydney Mardi Gras is all about celebrating the LGBTQ+ community and promoting acceptance and equality for everyone. The energy is electric, the costumes are out of this world, and the atmosphere is just pure joy. The highlight of Mardi Gras is definitely the iconic parade. Imagine massive floats, incredible costumes, and thousands of people dancing and celebrating in the streets. It's a sight to behold and an experience you won't soon forget. But Mardi Gras is more than just a parade. There are tons of parties, cultural events, and performances happening all over the city throughout the festival. From drag shows to art exhibitions to thought-provoking talks, there's something for everyone to enjoy. What I love most about Mardi Gras is that it's a celebration of individuality and being your true, authentic self. Everyone is welcome, and the atmosphere is so accepting and uplifting. It's a chance to let loose, have fun, and celebrate life with people from all walks of life. If you're planning on experiencing Mardi Gras, I highly recommend booking your accommodation and flights in advance, as it's a super popular event. And trust me, you won't want to miss a single minute of the festivities. Make sure to check out the official Mardi Gras website for the full schedule of events and to grab your tickets. Oh, and don't forget to pack your most fabulous outfit, sequins, glitter, and all. Sydney Mardi Gras is an experience that will stay with you long after the confetti has settled. It's a reminder that love is love, and everyone deserves to be celebrated for who they are. So come join the party and let your true colors shine. Next up, we're heading to the cultural capital of Australia, Melbourne, for the Melbourne International Comedy Festival. If you love to laugh, and who doesn't, this festival is an absolute must-visit. Held annually in March and April, this festival takes over the entire city, transforming it into one giant comedy club. We're talking stand-up routines, hilarious improv shows, side-splitting sketch comedy, and everything in between. The Melbourne International Comedy Festival is one of the largest comedy festivals in the world, attracting some of the biggest names in the biz, alongside up-and-coming comedians you're sure to fall in love with. It's a fantastic opportunity to discover new talent and have your funny bone tickled. The festival takes place in venues all across Melbourne, from intimate pubs to grand theaters. You can catch a different show every night of the week and still not see everything. It's a comedy lover's paradise. One of the best things about the Melbourne International Comedy Festival is the electric atmosphere. The city is buzzing with excitement, and you can feel the laughter in the air. It's impossible not to get swept up in the fun. Whether you're a die-hard comedy fan or just looking for a good laugh, the Melbourne International Comedy Festival is an experience you won't want to miss. So grab your mates, book your tickets, and get ready to laugh until your cheeks hurt. Oh, and a little tip: Melbourne is known for its unpredictable weather, so be sure to pack layers and an umbrella just in case. You don't want a little rain to dampen your comedic spirits. The Melbourne International Comedy Festival is a testament to the power of humor to bring people together. So, come experience the joy of laughter and create some unforgettable memories in the heart of Melbourne. Chapter 3, Vivid Sydney, where art meets innovation. Get ready to be dazzled because we're about to dive into a world of light, music, and pure magic. Vivid Sydney is not your average festival. It's a sensory extravaganza that transforms the city into a breathtaking wonderland of creativity and innovation. Every year, from May to June, Sydney's iconic landmarks, including the Sydney Opera House, Harbour Bridge, and Botanical Gardens, become canvases for stunning light installations and projections. Imagine vibrant colors dancing across the Opera House sails, intricate patterns illuminating the Harbour Bridge, and whimsical creatures coming to life in the gardens. It's truly a sight to behold. But Vivid Sydney is more than just a pretty light show. It's also a celebration of music and ideas, with live performances from local and international artists, as well as thought-provoking talks and workshops. You can catch a concert under the stars, listen to an inspiring speaker share their story, or learn a new skill at a creative workshop. The atmosphere during Vivid Sydney is electric. The city is buzzing with excitement as people from all over the world gather to witness the magic unfold. It's a time for wonder, inspiration, and connection. One of the best things about Vivid Sydney is that it's completely free to attend. You can wander through the light installations, enjoy the live music, and soak up the atmosphere without spending a dime. Of course, you can also purchase tickets to special events and performances if you want to enhance your Vivid experience. Vivid Sydney is a truly unique and unforgettable experience. It's a celebration of creativity, innovation, and the power of light to transform our world. So come wander through a world of wonder and let your imagination run wild. Chapter 4, Adelaide Fringe. Embrace the unexpected. Calling all art lovers and free spirits, get ready to immerse yourselves in the vibrant and eclectic world of the Adelaide Fringe. This isn't your typical arts festival. It's a wild, wonderful, and often wacky celebration of creativity in all its forms. From mid-February to mid-March, Adelaide transforms into a haven for artists and performers from across the globe. We're talking thousands of artists showcasing their talents across every genre imaginable. Think circus acts, cabaret shows, comedy gigs, theater productions, art installations, live music, and so much more. It's impossible to be bored at the Adelaide Fringe. What makes the Adelaide Fringe so special is its open access nature. Anyone can participate, from seasoned professionals to first-time performers, which creates an incredibly diverse and inclusive atmosphere. You never know what you're going to see next, and that's part of the fun. The Adelaide Fringe is all about embracing the unexpected, challenging the norm, and celebrating the power of art to connect us all. It's a place where you can let your freak flag fly, try something new, and discover hidden artistic gems. The festival takes over the entire city, with performances and installations popping up in theaters, parks, warehouses, and even people's backyards. It's an immersive experience that truly takes over Adelaide. One of my favorite things about the Adelaide Fringe is the sense of community. Everyone is there to celebrate art, support each other, and have a good time. It's a welcoming and inclusive environment where you can truly be yourself. If you're looking for a festival that's a little bit different, a little bit edgy, and a whole lot of fun, then the Adelaide Fringe should be at the top of your list. Get ready to be inspired, entertained, and amazed by the sheer creativity on display. Chapter 5, Byron Bay, Bluesfest. Find your soul in the music. Get ready to groove to the soulful sounds of blues, roots, and world music as we head to the iconic Byron Bay Bluesfest. This festival is a must-visit for any music lover, offering an eclectic lineup of legendary artists and rising stars. Held over the Easter long weekend in the heart of Byron Bay, this festival is all about good vibes, great music, and unforgettable experiences. Imagine yourself relaxing on the grass, soaking up the sunshine, and listening to the soulful tunes of some of the world's most talented musicians. It's pure bliss. Byron Bay Bluesfest is a celebration of musical heritage and diversity. You'll hear everything from classic blues and roots to soul, funk, reggae, world music, and everything in between. The festival attracts a mix of international superstars, local legends, and up-and-coming artists, so there's something for everyone to enjoy. The atmosphere at Bluesfest is electric yet laid back. It's a place where you can let loose, dance like nobody's watching, and connect with fellow music lovers from around the globe. The festival grounds are buzzing with excitement, with multiple stages hosting performances throughout the day and night. What I love most about Bluesfest is the sense of community. Everyone is there for the love of music, and you can feel the positive energy flowing through the crowd. It's a place where you can make new friends, share your passion for music, and create lasting memories. If you're a music lover planning a trip to Australia, make sure to coincide your visit with Byron Bay Bluesfest. It's an experience that will stay with you long after the last note has been played. So, grab your friends, pack your festival gear, and get ready to immerse yourselves in the magic of Bluesfest. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to add some of these amazing festivals to your Australian adventure itinerary. From the vibrant celebrations of Sydney Mardi Gras to the side-splitting humor of the Melbourne International Comedy Festival, the dazzling lights of Vivid Sydney, the eclectic vibes of the Adelaide Fringe, and the soulful sounds of Byron Bay Bluesfest, there's a festival for every taste and interest. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. We're always off on new adventures, and we'd love for you to join us. Let us know in the comments which festival you're most excited to visit. Have you been to any of them before? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Until next time, happy travels!